Hi everyone, welcome back to Bene Codes. Today we are going to explore the Excel advanced formulas. Okay, so let's jump right into today's video. Okay, these are the functions that I'm going to explore. It's up to 15 to 16 formulas are there. So where we will use these formulas, for example, if you're a data professionals like a data analyst, data engineer, data scientist, so Excel can help you them analyze data and it can provide you meaningful decision making driven data. So using the data, the business can run easily and they calculate their sales and everything. Okay. So for that, everybody using Python, Excel, Power BI, SQL for analyzing data. So this is a simple and for most useful technology in data analytics professions. Okay. So for that, I'll start from my first function. So this is sum of functions. Sum of functions can sum the values, whatever values based on the criteria you can calculate the sum. Okay. Whenever you are typing a formula or you are applying a formula on a cell, you have to provide the equal sign and then just type that your function first letter or two or three letters. It will give you the sections and then you can select them. Okay, so in this case sum of s we are going to see, for example, here sum of whenever I tap that function in here, whenever I apply the open parenthesis, it can it can provide you regarding that function criteria, I mean that function arguments or parameters. Okay, so using that arguments, you can provide the values. Okay, using those parameters, you can provide the arguments. Okay, for example, in this case, the sum range is that revenue. For example, above question, calculate the total revenue from gold accounts in the state of New York. Okay, so in this case, the first parameter is revenue. Okay, you have to provide next. You can go to next argument or parameter. So here criteria range. Here what we want the revenue based on where that the ornaments like gold. Okay, so this is my range that is provided in this column. That is my range and your criteria. The criteria here, what I want to look, that is gold. So you have to type inside the double quotes. Okay. So you can provide next criteria. You can apply n number of criteria. Okay. So in this case, we want the gold revenue, the particular New York state. Okay. To provide the criteria to us here ny. Okay. So whenever you finish that function, you can click enter. Then you will see the sum value. So this is how you're going to apply the formula. You can apply a number of criteria like 2, 3, or whatever. The sum range, whichever numerical value that you are going to sum. So that range you have to select the sum range of the first parameter. And second will be whatever criteria you want to filter it. So that ranges you can select and you have to provide the criteria and so on criteria you want. Okay, so this is how sum of functions. So okay, let's jump into second one, concatenation function. Concatenation function mostly we can see on we can see some of the address column or name column if you want to merge together. Okay, merge together and contain with some other special character like spaces, at symbol, and special characters of any other things like dollar symbol, percentages. You can use concatenation. In this case, I am going to share the example of first name and last name. So whenever you apply the formula, you will see text one, text two, a number of text you can add. So you have to select the text one. In this case, I am adding one single space and the last name. Okay. If I click enter, I'll get the concatenated full name values. Okay, this is how that concatenate function will work. So let's jump into third function. Third function, you may already know the length function provide you the text string length. If you know that any function definition, whenever you place the equal sign after your function, it will highlight the definition of the function. You can read them also. Okay. So in this case, I will check the name length. So this is actually 10 characters. The characters positions will along with the special character and spaces also, including spaces. Okay. So these are the actually the length of the name values. Okay. So let's jump into fourth one. This is actually days. Okay. Whenever you want to calculate the days between two dates, okay, that time you can provide this function days. Okay. These are the date function actually. So you can provide the end date here. End date will be this 2/3/2023. The start will be 15/1/2023. Provide this is between them 46 days, and if I drag them, you will get all the days between these two dates. Okay. So next one. Yeah, next one is network days. If you want to find the number of working days between two dates, including your holidays, okay, you can find them using this network days. Okay, see here what is the explanation of this network days? Return the number of while working days between two days. Okay, as I said, this is the explanation. One between these two dates, start date and end dates. For example, if you're an employee working on a company, they want to calculate that their working days or holidays. You can provide these. You can provide the number of working days using this function. In this case, it will provide you 5 because of the between these two dates there is just a weekend between Saturday and Sunday, so that's why it will minus those 2 days and will provide you 5 days. For example, if you want to voluntarily or deliberately apply, for example, in this case, uh, I want to tell that 20 Jan 20th Jan 2023 going to be a holiday means what it will see, it will provide you only 4 days. Okay. Because of this 20 I mean including that weekend Saturday and Sunday 14th it may be any special holiday, so it will provide you 4 working days. Okay. This is how the network days will work. Okay. Next one, average function. For example, in this case, there is a employees and their income. Okay, including their states. So you can apply your formula like here. What is the formula? Is average. You want to find the income average. Okay, you can use average if function. Average if function here. The average it's as same as like your sum of function. Okay, here you provide credit range 1. What is credit range 1? Here I want to calculate the income of this particular state. Okay, this particular state. So I will select this range as my criteria 1. My criteria range 1. My criteria is this particular state. Okay, so okay. So next one, my criteria range 2 is I want the average salary of in this state, and the name of the employees is like for example I will provide here Jack because we have else Jack and Dana. These are the names are in this particular location. I will find the mm, Jack. Okay, I will find Jack average salary. Okay, average income. So that will be 71. Okay, this is actually we provided that average will be 71. Okay, else you can provide here only the single criteria also you can provide. That will be 81. Okay, this is between these two. It will provide you 81 as the average. Okay, this is how average function works. Okay, next will be count function. That is also a same thing. Okay, here you have the two questions. You can apply them, and you can find the values using COUNTIF. Okay. The question is, how many Spanish-speaking countries that are located in South America can be found in the table? Okay. So here, what is the value is count IFERROR. Okay. Okay. This explain you count the number of cells specified by a given set of condition or criteria. Okay. In this case, we will the criteria range one. Okay. Criteria range one is the Spanish speaking country. So I will select first on this primary official primary language column. My criteria one is Spanish. In this case, Spanish. Okay, next one, what they want located in the South America. That will be in the content column. That is my criteria range two. Okay, so two. I'll provide my criteria is South, South America. So if you click enter, you will get only one number. Am I okay? One number. Okay, one South America that can speak Spanish language. Okay. So next question is how many countries have population greater than 100 million or less than 1 billion square kilometer? Okay. For example, in this case, I'll provide that count if if as function. Criteria is first they want population value. Population value will be this is my range. They want you have to logically test, you have to provide like this. Okay, condition statements. Here the condition is 100 million. Okay, 1 billion is equal to you have to provide six zeros. If you want that magnitude table, I have provided in this Excel sheet, so you can find those 1 billion values. Okay. Okay, 1 million. Okay, sorry, 1 million value is six zeros, and along with that, you will provide the 100 million. Okay, so 100. This value should be what they want greater than. Okay, greater than that value. So here, greater than this is greater than symbol, and I'll provide actually six zeros. Okay, comma. Here the area square. This is the area square. Okay, this is area square. I'll provide this is my criteria age 2. My criteria is now the area less than this 1 million square kilometer. So I'll provide a six zeros of 1 million. Okay, that should be less than this. You have to end that with this double quotes and will provide. You will get five countries that have the population more than 100 million, and this second criteria is their area should be less than the 1 billion square kilometers. Okay, this is how you can count the countries based on the conditions. Okay, next one, counter function is it's a beautiful one because using this you can find non kind of non-null. Okay, not null cells or the cells where is not empty. That value, the count you will get. There are actually six. If you have any empty cells, it will reduces that. It will provide only wherever the value is not empty. Okay, the next formula is VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP it means a vertical value lookup function. So using this VLOOKUP, we can tell that vertical data using the lookup function. Okay, lookup function will ask you four types of four types of parameters. So here I have ID number, a name, and age of an employee or anything. So in this case, I want to find this particular Danny ID number, and this is a keep in mind this one. Wherever lookup value that should be in the first column, then only you will get the right uh, you will get the right results. Okay, table array. Table array you can provide only data, and along with the header also you can provide. The column index number means whatever the lookup value result column number. For example, in this case, I want lookup value. I want result value is in the age column. So that will be provide 1, 2, 3. You can provide 3, and here you can provide true match. Okay. So if you click that, I'm getting 50 because of age for this ID Danny is 50. This is how you're going to using this lookup vertical function. This is work only for vertical tables. Okay, the value should be in the vertical format. Next one, opposite to the horizontal, the values wherever the horizontal table, you can using this HLOOKUP, HLOOKUP function. You can find that horizontal lookup value. Here, for example, in this case, I want to find the same thing, same whatever VLOOKUP we see, that parameter is also the same here. Just we are seeing that table is formatted here horizontally. Okay, here I want to find the 108 ID, my lookup value, my table array. So this is my entire table array. Okay, lookup value should be in the first column. So that's why first row. That's why they are showing that row index number. You have to count the index number from the starting of your index column. So index column. So in this case, I'll find the total pay. Total pay is in the 1, 2, 3, fifth column. Okay, so that fifth row. Not fifth, sixth row. So I'll provide 6, and I'll provide true match. If I click, I'll get the so 90,500 rupees of the total pay of particular this employee ID. This is how actually work. I'm going to share expand next function is if function. For example, if is kind of conditional statement. If you provide the logical test based on logic test is true, you can provide another any kind of function, or you can apply function, or you can apply anything. If that condition is false, you can provide some other text strings or whatever. For example, in this case, the age column is like this. This logical test, if the value is more than, less than, okay, this is more than 18. Okay, this logical test, if that is true, you can provide major. Okay, else that will be minor. Okay, major, minor. Okay, you can provide minor. Then if you put enter, this will be minor. This is actually this value is this condition actually met. That's why you will get that major value, true value. This is actually false, so that's why you're getting false statement. Okay. So next one is if error. For example, if error Excel, you must know what is the expression of error codes. So definition of the error codes. For example, in this case, n by a, d by 0, reference, name, value. So you just read all these error code message so that you can understood what is these error messages. Okay, in this case, I want to find using that if error, if this function, if this column is error, I want to show this the table or data is error, data is strong or data is error. Okay, so wherever this is actually not error, you will get that value. Okay. So this is how this if error function working. Please keep reading all these and keep in mind the definition of the error messages. Okay, next one is find function. Find functions, you can find the location of that particular text string. For example, also this is a case sensitive. You have to provide exact sensitive case sensitive text string to find that particular values location. For example, in this case, find text. Here, this function will ask you three arguments. Else you can provide, this is wherever the square brackets is available, that's the option. So you can provide just two options like find function. Here I want to find the pepper function. I mean pepper text string. Within the text there is this. If I close that, I can see that 19 of the peppers exact location. Okay. The next one is search. Search is opposite to the, that is a friendly with the find function. Okay. Actually, search is a case insensitive. You can provide any way, it will find you that. For example, in this case, I'll provide search option. Okay, here, see, in within this text, we have the peppers in small, sentence case, but we are providing in the uppercase. Also, the search can provide you this data location. Okay, both these functions will provide the location of the particular text string. But if you apply below find function, if the value here, if that is one letter in uppercase, you will get the value error. Okay, because the value is not exactly case sensitive. Okay, so that's why find is a case sensitive function. Okay, next one will be the left, right, and mid function. Okay, this function will provide you the extraction of the text string. For example, left, if you type left, it will ask you text. Okay. For example, in this case, from the left side, this is my data from the left side. Okay. I want 4 characters. If you provide number of characters 4, you will get only this. This is actually we can work from the up to the this one extract full name. Extract first name and last name from the full name. You can use this function as well. Okay, here I will provide a right function. From the right, I want my text. Actually for here five, totally 8 values or eight characters out there. If I provide, I'll get that this value. Okay, this is a long sentence, long text string. If that is if kind of a doc string, you can apply, you can find a mid function using this. Actually, you can find the text string using this mid function. Okay, in this case, I'll provide this is my data. So it will ask you three positions, three parameters. First one is text, second one is start number. Where the particular text string is start, you're going to look. So in this case, this character, for example, in this case, I am absolutely amazing text string I want to extract. This is located in the, actually, if you count this value, it will located in the 103. Okay, that's why we will provide the start number will be 103 and the uh, how many characters you want to extract. I will provide a 26. This is the length of this. I'm absolutely amazing. Along with that quotation marks, along with that this special character will get the I'm absolutely amazing. So this is how mid function work for mid text strings. Okay. Okay. This is next function is rank function. Rank function is kind of provide you rank based on the values along with the references. For example, in this case, I want find this value rank. Okay, you just select here also you will get 3 arguments, 3 parameters. The first one is number, reference, and order. Here number is whatever number I want to check their rank, and the second one the reference of the rank values. This is the reference values. The third argument you can provide whether the value should be, the rank should be descending or ascending, whatever value. So I'll provide here descending. If I click enter, I get 10. If the value is same, you will get the same rank value. This is actually work in the SQL. You will get the rank function, no, dense rank and this one, rank and dense rank. This function will exactly same like a SQL. If the value is same, it will provide you same rank. So this rank function also work for the this one date function. Same kind of application of the formula. Yeah, the rank, the number is the first date, and the reference is reference of the days. That I will provide the 0 for the this one. So it will provide you like this because each value they are different. Each date it will differ. For example, in this case, I will provide 1. That also it will like 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Okay, it will provide you. If I provide 0, you will get descending orders. Okay. If I am going to change this value, for example, here this value also 5th of February. So if you change that, you can see that both numbers are having the same rank. You got it right. So this is how the rank function working on datas. So this is how working on numerical datas. The rank function using that rank functions. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm going to end this video. If you are new here, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay, and you can just provide a thumbs up for this video if you have enjoyed this. If you have learned so much things, means you can provide the thumbs up. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you. Bye.